Alright, so I'm going to show you the power of consistency. The negative part of it, see? So, enough people I say, yo, consistency hard and consistency. Yes, it is. It is hard when you try to go about it with something constructive. But come look on the destructive side of it. You're consistently sitting there doing nothing. You're consistently looking at every reason why you're not supposed to go after your dreams. Every reason why something not gonna work. So you consistently stay negative. You consistently stay stagnant. You consistently stay lethargic. You're not doing anything about your problem. Now that consistency only leads to one thing. You being in the same spot every year that goes by, and then you complain 40 years later, oh, if me did only do this, or if I only try this, you see me? But your consistency at doing not doing anything. Why? You're not seeing any success after years and years has passed. So why not change that negative consistency to something positive? Take on a project, take on an objective, stick to it, and consistently work at it. Because negative consistency is everywhere. No, let's just change that to positive consistency and see the results. And along with that, as I say, discipline needs to be applied. Because of the discipline now, I gotta afford you the energy and the strength and the willpower to push on when you feel like you need to stay in your bed an extra minute, when you feel like that day didn't feel the vibe that day didn't right, or something is just off. You see me? But turn the negative consistencies into positive ones, because the negative ones only mean that you remain the same way time after time after time, and that in itself causes depression. Now for our habits, the negative ones are why we are facing what we are facing today. The actions are the lack thereof is why we're in the position that we are in today. You see me? So let's change that narrative. Let's put some positive light on the narrative and get cracking. Yeah, man.